Tommy, a boy who loved toys more than tidying, had a room that looked like a playful explosion. Toys tumbled from shelves, clothes formed mountainous peaks on the floor, and books lay scattered like fallen leaves. His favorite toy, a friendly dinosaur named Mr. Dino, was missing. Panic set in. Tommy searched everywhere. He rummaged under the bed, checked behind the curtains, and even peeked inside the laundry basket. Nothing. Just then, his friends Ella and Sam arrived. Ella, always organized, surveyed the chaos with a calm smile. Sam, the king of turning chores into games, grinned mischievously. "Let's have a toy tidy race," he exclaimed. Tommy, initially hesitant, joined in. Ella showed them how to sort toys into categories, placing stuffed animals together, cars in a line, and building blocks neatly stacked. Sam invented a silly song about putting away clothes, transforming the task into a funny dance routine. They played the quick stack book game, racing to stack books as quickly as possible. With Ella's organizational tips and Sam's playful energy, Tommy's room slowly transformed. The mountains of clothes shrunk, the toy chaos turned into neat piles, and the scattered books formed tidy stacks. As they cleared a pile of clothes, there he was, Mr. Dino, smiling up at them from underneath. Tommy hugged his dinosaur tightly. "Wow," he said, looking around his newly organized room. "It's so much easier to find my toys now." Ella and Sam cheered. That day, Tommy learned that cleaning wasn't just a chore, but a fun adventure that made playtime even better. From then on, Tommy still loved his toys, but he loved keeping his room tidy even